We begin by creating the homemade za'atar seasoning. Grab 2 tablespoons of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and another of ground sumac. Add in 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and a half teaspoon of salt. Combine these ingredients in a small bowl and mix well. Once you've achieved a harmonious blend, store your za'atar mixture in an airtight container tucked away in a cool, dry place. Now it's time to introduce our za'atar seasoning to its dance partner, the chicken. You'll need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs, bone in and skin on for this recipe. First, anoint the chicken thighs with olive oil, then coat them generously with your homemade za'atar seasoning. A sprinkle of salt and pepper will complete this flavorful ensemble. Next, we layer our ingredients in the crock pot. Spread sliced onions and lemons at the bottom of the slow cooker, creating a fragrant bed for your seasoned chicken. Arrange the chicken on top, then sprinkle minced garlic over everything, adding a punch of goodness. A drizzle of fresh lemon juice will balance out the flavors perfectly. Cover your crock pot and let the magic happen. Cook on low for about 6 hours or on high for about 3 hours. Be patient, good things take time. Once the chicken is tender and fully cooked, it's time to serve. Dish up the chicken hot, perhaps garnished with additional lemon slices or fresh herbs if you like. Don't forget to scoop up some of the cooked onions and lemons from the pot. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.